Hey, Michelle.
And we are Adventures Ahead.
And today we're doing a treat box.
And Michelle, do you have a knife to open it?
This is my knife.
You call that a knife? This is a knife.
We were watching a lot of Crocodile Dundee. Stop!
Oh.
Yeah, you need it.
So today we have a treats box.
Got a water just in case.
We've had this treats box sitting for 2 weeks.
Yep.
We didn't do it. Michelle.
Josh really messed it up.
No, Michelle did.
I don't even remember the country.
Oh! I'm just kidding. Your face is like, oh! Because Michelle's like a crazy person about knives.
Knife safety.
Okay, I remember. Oh.
I don't know that.
Isn't that Italy?
I thought so.
Yeah,
I think
Italy.
there's spaghetti in here.
It's
It's Ireland.
Oh. Clips of more Ireland. We said Italy.
We were doing. I said.
We dumb.
I said it's a me.
So read some of that. Oh, this one, Explore Ireland.
Okay, I'll read this one. Did you know that Northern Ireland is governed by a United Kingdom while the rest of Ireland is an independent nation? I didn't. Guinness beer is widely popular in Ireland. It first originated in the country and can be found through the country in pubs and grocery stores.
Cool. So I see something that looks kind of sick on the top. So it's called Teo's Cheese and Onion.
No.
And Teo Crisps is a brand that is embedded in Ireland's culture and considered to be the most popular potato chip in Ireland. The Irish just can't go without their potato chips.
I just thought we would have a lot of potato stuff from Ireland.
Yeah.
Didn't they have a potato thing?
Whoa.
Oh, I can't eat these.
What?
I can't either.
It's just like one giant onion.
Are we going to try it?
Yeah, there's not onions on it.
I'm going to throw up.
We ate an onion at chef's table and it was disgusting. Yeah, it's like eating an onion.
That's gross.
It's sick. Can't eat it.
We don't like onions. If you like onions,
Oh,
like that.
God.
Is it all onions?
Yup. It's all onions, Michelle. Seriously. Everything's an onion. I just like throwing stuff like that.
You need this?
No.
Let's get all the onions out first.
So this one's called Cheese and Onion Crisps by... Wait,
this one was cheese and onion.
Oh, this one's cheese and onion by King. Sorry, I read the wrong one.
And this one's cheese and onion by potatoes.
God dang potatoes.
Smell that one.
Same. This might taste more like cheese.
No, it's onions though.
And it's onions. Yeah, those are sick.
Like, why would you want to eat onions, something like that?
Oh my jeez.
Is that onion too?
Yep. This is called Mega Meanies Pickled Onion Corn Snacks. Meanies are tangy puffcorn crisps shaped like monster claws.
This is the most disappointing box.
I guess people in Ireland just walk around with freaking onion breath all day, breathing on you. Now, these are cool because they look like monster claws. Okay, I do smell the pickle.
Ooh. It's not good. It's less bad than those, though.
Yeah, it's less bad. Still not good. Look at this package, though.
Looks like a red Slimer.
Okay.
You need this.
Next up is onion cookies. No, I'm just kidding. Michelle's like, huh?
No way.
Okay, it's called custard creams. If you want to open these up.
Okay.
And it's crunchy biscuits with a custard filling. Filling made from a traditional English cream recipe flavored with vanilla. These look good.
It's like a sandwich cookie. If this is onion, I'll spit it out.
Oh, good. These are good.
These are really good.
Ireland, you can keep your onion crap.
Seriously.
Like, I couldn't live there. Full of onions.
No, we can't understand what you're saying because your mouth is full.
Stop!
Stop! That's gross.
A bunch of onions.
Mm-hmm.
Next one is called Crunchy. Show them. By Cadbury. A chunky gold bar with delicious honeycomb, toffee, sugar center, and smothered in thick Cadbury milk chocolate that shatters into mouth-watering country pieces.
Oh, well, it's already broken in half. That's what it looks like.
Just break that in half. I don't want to eat it.
I don't want... I'll just take a bite of this.
We'll take a bite then.
Mmm. Wow. I love that.
It's almost like it's like peanut brittle in the middle.
Yeah, I could eat the whole thing. This is good.
Mmm.
Wow.
You definitely can tell it's Cadbury chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Their chocolate has a distinct taste and it's good. Oh, where's next week?
Clue for next month.
Well, we're going to talk about something first.
Oh.
What is your favorite thing? I'm going these.
It was between those two.
Okay, so these are our favorite. Now, what was your worst one?
The Kings.
Kings. Just pure onion. This one had pure onion and cheese, though.
Least favorite. Next least favorite.
These were the most edible just because the pickle kind of drowned out the onions.
It was like it was like best, better.
No, you're not letting
worse. Okay, clue for the next one. You took it.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see it.
Show this to the thing and they can pause it if they want. There's a recipe.
Dublin coddle.
Don't know what the frick it is. Oh.
I need that.
Clue for next month.
Greece.
Next month featured country is considered to be the world's first democracy and home of the first modern Olympic Games. One of history's greatest warriors and leaders of all time, Alexander the Great, came from this country.
Greece.
Okay, we're going with Greece.
Greece.
Right. So this box was sick, though.
There's
the
only
cookies
two
were
edible
good. Yeah.
things.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Let us know if you guys like onion chips. I mean,
we'll Ziploc these up and send them to you.
And yeah, if you guys if you actually have a subscription to the Treat Box, let us know in the comments. If not, if you just enjoy us watching it, let us know.
Thanks for watching. Bye.